In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Shopify themes, a process that's straightforward but essential for refreshing the look of your online store to better match your brand identity or seasonal promotions. To begin, you'll want to make your way over to the Shopify homepage, your control hub for all things e-commerce. Once you're logged in and see the familiar dashboard, it's time to navigate to the feature we're focusing on today, which is online stores. Now, as you look through the options available in the left-hand side menu, you'll find a tab labeled Online Stores. Clicking on this is your gateway to managing the overall design and setup of your store. It's here that you're going to be able to make all the necessary changes to your store's appearance and make them live for your visitors. It's essentially your backstage pass to theme customization and management. Once you have access to the online stores section, scroll down your screen until you reach the theme library. Here, you will see a collection of all the themes that you've previously added to Shopify, whether you've tinkered with them before or you're exploring some new options to potentially debut. It's a curated collection of past choices waiting to transform the user experience of your store. Use this opportunity to remind yourself of the different aesthetics at your disposal, perhaps noting down a couple that stand out to you. Attention will now turn to the buttons you see next to these themes, namely the Publish and Customize options. For the purpose of this guide, our focus will be on the Publish button. This is your action button, the magic click that makes the transition from an old theme to a new, fresh interface. It's like giving your store a brand new outfit. While customization is crucial for setting up those unique features you love, in this session, we're here to learn how to enact that switch. Now comes the moment of decision, clicking Publish. By clicking the Publish button next to your desired theme in the theme library, you're officially opting to showcase this design to everyone visiting your site. Don't worry, though. This change is easily reversible, so feel free to experiment a little until you find the right look. As soon as you click Publish, Shopify gets to work updating the theme so that store visitors will start experiencing this fresh new look straight away. And there you have it, a quick, user-friendly guide on how to change your Shopify theme with confidence and ease. Engaging and accommodating, the ability to switch themes is at your fingertips any time of the year. Whether your choice is dictated by personal preference or responsive to market trends, rest assured that your Shopify backend makes the switch seamless. Happy updating!